everyone! Today we're gonna draw a super cool and funny yellow car from Go Go Cory Carson. And we're gonna use these markers, then we're gonna use a piece of paper, and we can also use one black marker, and I have this one, the rocket marker. Cool, so let's get started. Okay, let's draw this cool car. So we're gonna start somewhere in the middle of the page, and we're gonna first draw its eyes. Okay, and those are just gonna be black circles, so they're gonna go like this. We have one eye, and then let's draw another one just here somewhere. Cool. And then we're gonna make some eyebrows just like that, and another one. Cool, we have that part, and we're gonna make some mouth. So he will be smiling, happy little car. Okay guys, so now we're gonna go and create the top of the car. Okay, it's gonna go like this. Okay, first we're gonna make a little line, let's say from here to here. Okay, just go and draw a straight line just like that, and then we're gonna go up, and somewhere here we're gonna go all the way down. Okay, and that's gonna be the front window of the car. Cool, we have both sides completed, and now we're gonna go here on the side and create side window, and it's gonna go like this, and then it's gonna go up, and down, just like that. Now we have two windows. Okay, now it's time to create top part of the car. So we're gonna create that little roof, and it's gonna go all the way down around. And actually I'm gonna go from this side and go up, and then connect it here just like that. And then let's go to the other side and do the same thing. So I'm gonna go up, and then connect it to the roof part just like that. Cool, so we have top of the car completed, and now we're gonna go down and create its lights, wheels, and also the front parts. Okay, so first we're gonna go somewhere, let's see here, and we're gonna go and draw it like this, down, all the way down. Okay, let's draw that oval, curvy shape, and then let's go to the other side and do similar thing. So we're gonna go, let's see here, and go, cool. Okay, and now we're gonna go a little bit more down and draw a line like this, curvy line, and that's gonna be the bottom of the car. Okay, so let's go here, and let's go somewhere here, and then we're gonna connect this line. Okay, let's go down, and then up, and we have that line completed. Cool. Now we're gonna just connect it here, and then we're gonna go and create some curves just like this, because this car has those. Okay, And now we're gonna draw some wheels. Okay, so let's go here, and actually let's do it here and make a little like part of the circle, and then we're gonna make another one and connect it here, and there we go, we have one tire or one wheel completed. Now we're gonna go down and create another one somewhere here. Okay, so we're gonna go down, 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 up, 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 up. Oh, that's too up, but that's fine. Okay, and then we're gonna also use this one and create another wheel. Okay, and now we're gonna go here and create the last wheel. So it's gonna go also like a little circle, and then again like this. Okay, and now we need to, let's say, connect all of these and draw another line just like this, and go all the way around. Cool, just like that. And we actually have another shape somewhere here, so we're just gonna leave it like that, and another shape here. Cool, this is a little bit too many lines, but that's fine. Okay, and then we're gonna draw another circle just like this on each of these wheels. Okay, and now it's time to draw its lights. Okay, so we're gonna draw oval shapes just like this, and another circle. Cool, and then we're gonna go to the other side and do the same thing, but this one will be a little bit more narrow, like that. Okay, it's a little bit up, more up than this one, but that's fine. Okay, and we're gonna also make like a little plate here. And there we go, we have completed our first car. Okay, and his name is Cory, and he will be yellow, orange, something like that. So I've prepared these markers, so we're gonna use yellow, orange, and a little bit of red. Okay, and I'm gonna start with orange. Okay, oh no, actually I'm gonna start with yellow because we need to draw some lines. So this cute little car has some lines in the front. So first we'll go one thick line, just like this, and then we're gonna color inside. So it has one thick line in the middle, and it goes all the way up, so here as well. And then it has also two thin lines on a side. Here one, and here one. And also up, up, up we go. And we'll draw two more. Cool. Also we can color the lights yellow. And now we can go to orange color. Okay, and then we're gonna color the whole car. Okay, so let's color these parts, and this one in the middle of two lines, just like that. And then we're gonna color around, around and round we go. Okay, and this side as well. And then let's color in the middle of these yellow lines. Just like that. Cool. And now we can color the rest of the car. Just like this. I like how it looks. It's really bright and it's cool and it's sweet and it's a lovely little car. And it's actually more orangey than yellowish. Cool. Okay, let's go to this side. Nice. Okay, and now we can use a little bit of this red color and color the plate. So we can color it like this. Can leave a little bit of empty space, white, just like this if you want. If you don't want, it's fine. Okay, and now we're gonna also color the tires and wheels. So I'm gonna also leave some of the white space here and also this white circle. And then we're gonna color this side. And there we go. We have one wheel, and also here as well. I'm gonna leave a little bit white here and color inside. Okay, and let's do similar thing here, though we cannot see it really because it's most of the wheel is hidden. And cool, guys, we have completed this lovely little car called Cory, and I love how it looks. So I'm gonna give it a little heart because we love our little car, and we're gonna give it a little check mark because it's completed. Good job, guys. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we're gonna continue drawing these super cool stuff. So see you next time. Bye bye. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and let's keep creating these super cool drawings.